I killed her because I do love her. These sons that give life to men, killed her because of I loved her. Ladies and gentlemen of this honorable court, please listen to me. Listen to my story before you give my verdict. I am Dr. Reyes, a cancer specialist. I was born in a slum district of Batalon. My father? Oh, I don't know him for I am child of faith. My mother brought me up to such determination, and my ambition was to save the Philippine Narrow Face in Batalon. I was first with hope that someday I might live a life different from hers. My mother was giving me life to me, and tears in her eyes. I received the gold medal in my proud breast. Later on, I was sent as score of the Philippines to the United States of America. I embraced my mother tightly as I reached the fame. Mother, mother, I wish you will always be my best mother in the world. After 4 years, came back to Lawrence. I became a cancer specialist. I gave my mother everything, but I was too late. I would use praise the pain of men. Came too late in the life of my dying mother. My God, what is the use of 10 years of study if I couldn't use it with my mother's pain? Then, one night, I heard this French